Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I ended up using my Sweet Sugar Belle stencils and how I airbrushed my cookies. First, we will set up our area by choosing our stencils and setting up our stencils on our stencil holder. In case you don't have a stencil holder, you can also use your fingers by placing your fingers on top of the stencil while you're airbrushing, but it will get a little bit messy. Next, make sure to set up your airbrush and choose the colors that you would like to add on your airbrush stencils. If it is your first time using an airbrush machine, I do recommend to practice on parchment paper before practicing on your cookie. If you press too much on your airbrush gun, it tends to be a little bit wet, but it just takes a little bit of practice, so I do suggest that you do that before doing it on the real cookies that you will be giving to your clients or to your family members. When we are finished airbrushing all of our cookies, we will add details with stencils and royal icing. When using stencils like these, you're going to have to hold on to your stencil on the edge and make sure that when using royal icing to add these details that your royal icing is very stiff. When spreading your icing, you can definitely use a small palette knife, a small icing spatula, or even a pie spatula to spread the icing. This specific spreader that I'm using right now is by SugarWorks, and it is a flexible icing spreader. Since your royal icing is very stiff, don't be afraid to pull off the stencil. Just make sure to do it quickly but carefully. Now that we have finished adding all of our royal icing details, it's time to paint our details gold or any other color that you want. I hope that this video was a little bit helpful for you, and don't forget that if you do have any questions or comments, you can leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll also link the products that I used in the description box, and I'll see you next time. Bye!